Tonight, many are asking if anything could have been done to prevent what police say is the murder-suicide of former Lieutenant Governor Justin Fairfax and his wife, Dr. Cerina Fairfax. Police tell us that Justin shot his wife, then himself at their home in Annandale Wednesday night. Court documents show that the couple were going through a complicated divorce, citing Justin's issues with alcohol and his mental health. Matthew Torres is talking with attorneys who question a judge's ruling about those divorce proceedings.
A small memorial sits outside the dental office of Dr. Cerina Fairfax. Police say her husband, former Virginia Lieutenant Governor Justin Fairfax, shot and killed her in their Annandale home before he turned a gun on himself. One of their two children, home at the time, called 911.
It's incredibly tragic. It's incredibly disappointing.
The couple was in the middle of complicated divorce proceedings. Cerina filed for divorce last summer, but the two were still living in the same home. Family law attorney Tashina Gorgoni says the case highlights how the system is more reactive than proactive.
The day-to-day of what was going on behind the scenes is not so different from what a lot of us are experiencing when we're trying to guide our clients through a divorce and separation process, particularly a high conflict one.
Judge Timothy McAvoy ordered the once rising political star to move out of the house by the end of April. Judge McAvoy writing Justin had undefined emotional and psychological issues. The court order says after he left office in 2022, Justin struggled with alcohol, retreated from his loved ones, strained his relationship with his kids, failed to pay bills, and bought a gun despite severe mental health concerns. But the judge granted the couple joint legal custody of their teen children, with Cerina getting sole physical custody, while Justin was allowed unsupervised visitation.
Given the toxic nature of the relationship, the volatility of the relationship, I would have wanted to see more safeguards in place.
Attorneys like Megan McCrae believe there were enough red flags for the judge to do more, such as having Justin leave the house sooner and ordering supervised visitation of the children.
When you have a parent who has alcohol issues, mental health issues, access to firearms, it's a good indicator that there is a potential for something volatile like this incident to happen.
It emphasized what a good father he thought he could be, and that he had every confidence that with the right health treatment he could be that guy, but didn't order him to go get mental health treatment, didn't order him into counseling, wouldn't even order him to take a parenting class.
I did try to get a hold of the judge today for comment, but so far no luck. While the custody hearing did mention that gun, there were no other court filings that specify removing the gun away from Justin Fairfax. Virginia is a red flag law state, which prevents anyone who could be a threat to themselves or others from possessing or buying a gun. In Fairfax, I'm Matthew Torres, WUSA 9.